Hi Bixby. Good morning mode, please. Very good.
Honey, will you call me Uber, please? I have to hurry.
Okay. Wait, say bye. That's very nice. Should you send that to mommy?
Yeah.
What you drawing there?
That's the big pizza.
That's making me really hungry. Should we get a new one?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite pizza?
Ham one.
Okay. Yeah, me.
Lasagna. Let's go for lasagna.
What should we have for dinner next week? Here's all our dietary needs. Maybe something with low sodium?
I like it.
This is your moment. This is your moment in time. This is your moment.
We're really excited about the new GE Cafe French door bottom freezer refrigerator with K-Cup brewing system made right here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is a revolutionary product and something that we're really excited to be launching. This is GE innovation at its best. GE invented the hot water dispenser. We really wanted to create a feature that really benefited consumers as much as possible. The evolution of that feature was into the K-Cup brewing system that's going to be available on our new GE Cafe French door bottom freezer refrigerators. Keurig is all about the consumer experience, and so because of that attention to quality, they are really who we wanted to partner with. So when you're ready to make a fresh cup of coffee, here's how you do it. First thing is you take the brewer and you open up the top. You take any of your favorite K-Cup packs, insert it into the brewer, and then slide it into the dispenser. And when you slide it in the dispenser, it'll be selected with any size that you want. I'm gonna have a large. When the refrigerator hits the optimum temperature, what you'll do is you'll turn it counterclockwise for safety, and the dispenser will brew at the optimum flow rate. And when it's finished, you have a great cup of coffee every time. And so what we discovered more than anything is it's all about convenience. It's all about organizing your way. It's all about having an appliance that does more than just look good in your home. And we will continue to drive towards that to make sure that we deliver great consumer benefits to our customers.
Take advantage of LG Smart ThinQ technology, which allows you to remotely control your refrigerator's temperature settings, activate specific features, and monitor energy usage all through your smartphone. This video will provide you the steps on how to properly set up the smart features of your LG signature refrigerator. First, download the LG Smart ThinQ app at the Google Play Store. Once you downloaded the app, click on LG Account Login. If you don't have an LG Smart ThinQ account, click Create Account and continue with the registration steps. Once you submitted your information, you will receive a confirmation email to activate your account. Once you activated your account, log into the application and register your appliance by selecting refrigerator. Continue to verify the appliance type by answering the following questions. Press and hold the connect button on the refrigerator control panel until it blinks. The refrigerator will send out its Wi-Fi signals and connect to your smartphone. Then connect both your refrigerator and smartphone to your home Wi-Fi network and enter your password if necessary. Now you have successfully registered your appliance to the Smart ThinQ app. With the Smart ThinQ app, you can remotely monitor and control your refrigerator settings such as adjusting the refrigerator and freezer temperature, changing the fresh air filter mode, activating the Ice Plus function, activating the Smart Grid function, activating the Seasonal Energy Savings function, which lower energy usage during a specific time depending on the month, and monitoring monthly or daily energy consumption or door openings to see how energy is used.